Format Painter. We usually format our table just by using theme colors, automatic theme colors, or we also use conditional formatting. We also use format as table option, and we also use cell styles. We use these options to format our table to look to make it more impressive and professional. Now, in case if I have data, if I have more than three tables, or if I have four tables, and I want to apply the same format to all the remaining tables at the same time. So I want to apply the same format to the remaining tables. So I have two auto tables here. The other table is sheet 22, and I have also the table in sheet 23. Now I have these two tables in this format painter sheet. Now I want to apply the same format to this data. Then also I want to apply the same format to this data, and I also apply the same format to this data. So what would you do? What's the option to apply the same data, to apply the same format multiple tables? So I have this option here, format table. But first of all, I need to format this table first. So now I'm going to apply borders to this table. First of all, select this whole table. Then click on drop down button under Home tab. Select all borders. Now borders have been applied successfully, but now I want to format this table more. Now I want to format this row. Then click on format cell styles. You can apply other formats you want, but I'm going to format this option, cell styles. So click on cell styles, then choose the color you want. Now I'm going to format the column. First of all, select this whole column, then click on cell styles and choose the color you want. I also want to bold this text. First of all, select this whole area or this whole range, or select this all values, then click on B, bold text. Now I want to apply the same format to this table, and this table. So what would I do? First of all, select this table, select this whole table, then double click on this table, not a single click. If you want to apply the same if you want to apply the same format to other sheets also, so you should double click this option. First of all, format this table, number one, and number two is select this whole table, then double click on this option, format painter, under Home tab. Now I double clicked on format painter option under Home tab. Now I want to apply the same format to this table. Just select this table. So the whole format is applied to this table. Now click on other sheet. Just select this whole table. The same format is applied to this table also. Now click on sheet 23. Just select this whole table. Now the same format is also applied to this table. So we can also apply the same format to other tables. If you have more than 10 sheets, you can also apply the same format, but first of all you must format the first table as I did. Then after formatting the first table, double click on format table. If you double click on format painter, so double click on format table, then you can easily format the remaining table. So it's very good feature in MS Excel. It's very useful because it saves time whenever we create data, whenever we create table. We might have 4 or 7 tables. So if we want apply the same format to other tables, so we can easily use this format painter option. Thanks for watching.